Can you believe we're at the end of 2023 already? Where does the time go? Man, oh man. I hope y'all had a great Christmas. I know we did here. We took a week off of filming just because it's Christmas time, and we still worked a little bit. I finished the rest of the roof except for the ridge cap on the milking parlor, and we put some fence posts in underneath where we're gonna have everything set up. Kind of boring stuff to watch on a video, so just took a break from filming, got that done, and then we ended up getting sick with the flu. So it's not been a lot happening this week, so we're kind of playing catch up, but it is what it is. We got all of our meat chickens processed and in the freezer last night, so I'm happy to have that project behind us, and we got our last batch of babies in yesterday. So here in about 8 or 9 weeks we'll process them, and that'll probably be it for a few months. We're trying to get them done in the cool months this time instead of throughout the year. We're doing more in the winter, spring, fall, and because summer's miserable here in North Florida. So anyway, we're going to go ahead and see if we can get the ridge cap put on out here so the roof's 100% done, and then get some boards installed underneath. And I've even got the gate this week from Real King, so we're going to get that installed. So come along with us. All of these poles are set. They're not cut off at their final heights though until we get the boards up. But this is all going to be board like 2x6s. And that way it'll act as somewhat of a weather barrier, and it'll be kind of strong like the corral's going to be. So it's all work in progress, but we got most of the poles in. I'm going to have to sink one more pole in right here at some point just for some extra support, because this is about 10 feet wide here, which is a little bit too wide for strength. So we'll do that, but the rest of them are in, so they're ready for boards. So here's what we're doing for the roof ridge cap. What we did is I figured out where this needed to be centered on the peak, measured each way, found the center, and then we ran a chalk line all the way down to the other side where we did the same exact thing. And that will keep our ridge cap perfectly straight down and through here. So I'm going to start on the back and work forward so the overlap is facing backwards, just so it's not as visible from the front. If something starts to fall, just let it go. Not worried about trying to catch it. You'll hurt yourself trying to catch it or fall off yourself. Don't go off the edge there, Jonathan. In just a minute, when he gets this one, maybe come around this side of him, okay? Final piece, we've just taking one. And I'm gonna glue him down right here, like so. And that'll finish it off. Unfortunately, I don't have any bull, but I got some Lexel, which is pretty good stuff, so. Hibbity, hibbity, hibbity. That's all, folks. Well, I am happy that this roof is done. Done. Don't have to come back up here. Let's go see what the girls are up to. I think they're cleaning out the chicken house. About got it on. They're all fired up, huh? Y'all got it smelling like a new coop in here now. That's one more project off the list. All right, time to put up some boards. This will be the fun part of the whole build. So I'm gonna start it pretty low to the ground. Stick a level on there, if you would, please. Does Jonathan's side need to go up or down?
Down.
Okay. I'm gonna start mine right here then. Just put one in it to hold it. All right. Okay, ideally this will be our spacing on this outside, but let's look. Yeah, that'll work. That'll work. All right, let's get it even. Good? Should be good. We're off of that side, but
Needs to come up on that side a little bit.
check it again over here.
Needs to come up down.
I mean, that's. I just want to see something. And that was fine. So. All right, what we're gonna do now, we got this side established. This is gonna be our height. We will bring this side up to match it and then level it from there. All right, let me, where you're at, James, please. Okay.
Down. Further.
Check it down here, just make sure, because this is a lot of weight off this end.
Completely middle.
Come down, up a little bit. Further.
Okay. All right, grab my nail gun, please. Thank you.
here's level for this side.
Need to check your level. We shouldn't be level and put spacer boards that are identically spaced and it be not level.
Johnny.
Just saying. Need to check it. That did not take long at all. It actually went good. We went a little bit higher than we were originally going to go with the boards, just for weather protection so rain don't blow in if it's raining. So my poles are a little short here and here, but I just added support on this outside right here, and that's fine. It's just the top board. It's not like it's going to see anything pushing against it really. Now I'll have to finish this side here. I'll probably trim the corners off at some point as well, but I think that's everything except for the gate. Now we are going to add a stall in here, like just a couple of boards where the cow will be in just this one area, but I'm not going to do that just yet. I want to make sure we get the cow here and I can kind of measure and make sure I don't make it too big for her to get in there and get turned around or anything. at it. Yeah. Put it on there. It's perfect. I mean, perfect. You hold yourself. Okay. Let me check level. Just hold this for a sec. Let me check level. I don't know if that's like remind me to crank it up one more. The gate's perfectly level. If we can get that tightened on there where that's at, that would be fine. So go ahead and tighten it. That's good. Well, I'm happy with how that turned out. It come together good. So that's everything that we're going to do for right now underneath the pole barn. Like I said, we got to put the boards over there at the end to close that off. But I got to get a pole in set, which I have. It's not going to happen today. So we're we're about tuckered out for today. So with that, we're going to wrap this video up. Thank y'all so much for watching. We'll see you next year.